Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can attach a subscribe button in a video using Capcut. So here I've already added a main video and I want to add a subscribe button to it. So first what you need to do is just go to overlay and add overlay. And in here I've already prepared a green screen subscribe video like this, and you can actually find it on the internet if you not have this video. I downloaded from Canva and I want to use it in here. And next you just need to go to the cutout to remove the green screen. Just use the chroma key and choose the green screen. In here adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Okay, I'm going to click on the check icon and I'm going to go at the end like this. Okay, and then I'm going to place it at the top right like this. And then here is what the video look like with the subscribe button on it. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, click on the thanks below and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.